Stacy down there. Kind of see him. Here's where I am. And I'm not gonna get up there now. That's where we are. Like way, way, way up. So, somehow, I gotta get down there. Through here. Maybe through there somewhere. Jeff, how's it going?
I just cut like 6 trees
How come?
right above a big tree. Well,
Because we're shitholing.
I was just gonna say, because we're shitholing.
In the shit.
Oh my God,
So-
there's little way up.
Cooking with Snowbikes. Buffalo sauce in the snow. The buffalo sauce is escaping. You know what that means? If your sauce is leaking, it's time to escape. This is Cooking with Snowbikes, episode 5. We're on top of Queest Mountain here. We literally went through the thickest stuff, steepest stuff, a few stalks, some wide open throttle stuff. We've been cooking chicken wings for just over an hour now. They're buffalo wings.
We got buffalo sauce leaking out of the bike.
Yeah, I might get some buffalo sauce on my seat. This might be a better operation for the back of the tunnel than the seat. Oh, they're hot. Don't worry, we brought napkins. Oh, this looks messy. Oh, look at this. What? On the top of a mountain, buffalo
God.
wings.
I can smell it.
Cooking with Snowbikes, episode 5. Top of the mountain. Doesn't get better than this. Snowbike cooked buffalo wing. Oh, it's hot. Oh my God. It's
Cheers.
steaming. Oh my God, that's good. Oh yeah. This is a dream come true.
10 out of 10. Snowbiker's dream.
Yep.